has been a crazy few days. I'll show you what he sees. We're making waves. Anyway, back to what I was telling you. It has been raining like crazy in Northeast Arkansas. There are people getting rescued from their homes because of the water. And I know things are worse in places like Kentucky and stuff like that too. And we care that some people getting rescued from their home because the water was up so high. And farmer helped with the spray rig. Another farmer had his big shop building by something, but the combine came out without a scratch. That's what a blessing. And we're gonna go check some of the area out safely, so we'll show you. The farm I was doing soil samples on the other day. Wow, it looks like a flooded rice field, and this one too. This is a gravel road right here. You can't tell. Looks like part of the field.